Dear traveler, so you decided to visit Hungary. Excellent choice. I am Andor. I was born and raised in Budapest. I have visited over 75 countries in the world to learn from first hand. Nowadays, I am an independent tour guide in my hometown. If you join me for a walk, I will show you the main sights of the downtown, and I will share the days of glory and the days of shame. Furthermore, you learn where the locals eat, hidden gems, and you learn how to avoid scams. You can freely ask any question about our life under the most controversial government in the European Union. To make the experience more intimate, the number of the participants are limited. Let's walk and learn together.